Oh bloody hell, I just put it back. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be on this Valentine's makeup look. I went for this beautiful copper color with some red, and this is what I came up with. I achieved this look using the Modern Renaissance palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I paired this look with this brown lip. I decided to pair this look with this brown because it just goes with the look, but you can go with a red lipstick, which is absolutely perfect for Valentine, but I decided to go with this brown lips because I just thought I'd just try something new, because I've never worn a brown lipstick before and I kind of like it. Now I feel really comfortable wearing this lipstick. So yeah, you can pair this look again with a nude because the eyes is really smoky, so you can pair this look with a nude look. So if you want to see how I created this look right here, then keep on watching. Alright guys, I've primed my face. I used the Clean and Clear oil free moisturizer, then I used the Fenty Beauty soft matte primer to prime. It's important that you prime so it helps your foundation to stay on longer. So now moving on to foundation, I'm using the Lancome Tint Idol Ultra 24-hour wear foundation, and this is in the number 10. I'm not too sure if this is gonna match my skin complexion right now, because when I got it then I was a little bit darker, because that was like in the summertime. So I don't know, we'll just go with this. But this is the foundation that I want to use today, and we'll just wing it. Put like 2 pumps, and this is a little bit dark. This foundation is full coverage, so it would cover most of my blemishes. Little bit red. It's lightweight, but yet it's full coverage. So I just applied the 2 pumps of foundation, and I'm still seeing some blemishes peeking through, so I'm just gonna use another like 1 pump again just to cover those areas. So now that I've applied my foundation and it's dried down a bit, I'm gonna go in to apply my concealer. So I'm using the Elegant Pro Concealer in Fawn. This is the only concealer I really like to use. I have tried other concealers, but I just see myself going back to Elegant. It's very hydrating and it's full coverage. I just love the formula of this concealer. So now that my concealer is blended out, I'm just gonna use my W7 banana powder to set the concealer. So I'm just gonna bronze my face with the Sun-Kissed Sculpt and Glow contour kit. So I'm just gonna do that right now. I'm gonna use this blush from Sleek. The name is rubbed off. I'll just put the name of the blush on the screen. It's just a pretty orangey color. I'm just gonna contour now with the Solid bronzer. So for my highlight, I'm using the OPV highlighter in Stardust. It's just a pretty intense gold, so I'm just gonna apply this onto. Oh my goodness, this is shimmery, man. Oh my god. Oh my goodness, this is that glow though. Ooh, this is beautiful. Oh my goodness. Oh god, this is actually my first time using this highlighter on camera, and I'm gonna say I really like it. It's a bit shimmery and dusty, so you might want to be very careful when applying this onto your face. So our base is all done, and now we're moving on to the eyes. So for today's look, I'll be using the Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette to create this look today. So for transition color, I'm going to use this color right here. This is Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow in caramel. So I'm going to use this as my transition color. Just a beautiful warm brown, perfect for my skin tone as a transition color. So I'm just going to use that as my transition color today. By the way, I got some brushes from Morphe, so I might be using, I think I'm gonna use the Morphe E28 blending brush. I'm gonna pick Rega the rigger. I'm gonna pick this color right here and apply this onto my crease. So the next color I'm going to apply now is red ochre, and I'm going to apply this onto my outer V and then blend it into the crease as well. Now I'm going to take Cypress Amber and then just blend that into the crease as well. I'm going to take the E25 by Sigma and just apply that color. I'm just going to go in with red ochre again. I'm just going to blend that on just to blend the harsh lines. For my brow highlight, I'm going to use this color here, Tempera. So I'm going to cut my lids now with this LA Girl concealer. Just at the point where I cut the crease, I'm gonna apply red ochre there, just to blend red ochre. This one here, this one, just to blend the edge. So for my lid color, I'm gonna take the NYX Prismatic eyeshadow in Fireball, and I'm just gonna apply it onto my eyelids. I'm just gonna apply Primavera onto my inner corner just to open the eyes a bit more. So now that my lashes are on and dried, I'm just gonna go in with. So now I'm just gonna go back to the lower lash line. I'm just gonna apply this warm caramel color, which was our transition color. I'm just gonna apply this under my lower lash line. Oh yeah, I just put it back. Just gonna use my transition brush again. I'm gonna go in with red ochre. I'm just gonna mix red ochre and Cypress Amber underneath my lower lash line. So now that my face is all done, I'm just gonna use this Morphe setting mix. So while that is drying down, I'm just going to apply some mascara under my lower lash line. So I just applied this gold liner in my waterline by Remo London. So now for my lips, I'm going to line my lips with this Primark lip liner in the color brown. And now I'm going to apply this W7 lipstick in Lip Ouch. I'm just going to apply just a little on the center of my lips, just to give it a little bit of an ombre, because I'm not really feeling that. Oh my god. And so that completes the look. I hope you like it. This is going to be my take on the Valentine's makeup look, but I will be doing a Valentine's Day look if you're not too comfortable wearing this kind of look. But I will definitely wear this every day, in the night, anytime. I just love this makeup look. So I hope you like it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe if you're not already. Leave me a comment down below and like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.